When evaluating your organization's efficiency, determining improvement solutions can prove a challenge when faced with risky, high-cost alternatives with no guaranteed return. Simulation provides an opportunity for organizations to assess the current state of their business and identify areas of improvement. From there, they are able to create actionable improvement plans that provide a path forward. Simulation is any system that is used to mimic reality in order to determine outcomes, without disrupting the real-world environment. When done correctly, simulation provides the best possible imitation of reality to help you find information, make changes, and predict results. Developed and supported in the United States, SimCAD Pro is a patented, dynamic process simulator, delivering an integrated tool set to help businesses visualize, analyze, and optimize their operation faster, easier and more economically. With applications in manufacturing, automation, logistics, warehousing, food and beverage and more. SimCAD Pro integrates with live and historical data to optimize layouts, improve facilities, and create schedules. SimCAD Pro is a powerful and easy-to-use simulation tool that utilizes a patented multi-core simulation engine, for unparalleled and on-the-fly results in both 2D and 3D. Built for industry professionals, the fully 64-bit, dynamic interface allows you to create a fully developed digital twin to observe current states, identify existing issues and simulate actionable improvement. SimCAD Pro allows users to reduce cost and maximize efficiency in a low-cost, high-reward environment that allows any user, regardless of skill, to become proficient in process flow improvement.